Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
In this video, I will explain how to make mousse ice cream. We will begin by exploring the distinct characteristics that set mousse ice cream apart from traditional varieties. Then, we will delve into the specific ingredients and their precise roles in achieving that signature light and airy texture. Finally, I will guide you through the step-by-step process, ensuring you can confidently create this delightful frozen treat in your own kitchen, ready to impress. For a classic mousse ice cream, you will typically need 3 main ingredients. Start with 2 cups of cold heavy cream, which will be whipped to create the airy base. Next, incorporate 1 14-ounce can of sweetened condensed milk, providing both sweetness and a smooth consistency without needing an ice cream maker. Finally, add 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract for a delightful aroma and taste. Some recipes also include 2 egg yolks for a richer, more decadent custard. Effective studying isn't just about the initial read, it's about reinforcing what you've learned. Leverage the search function in your PDF reader to swiftly find specific terms or topics when reviewing. Transform your highlighted sections and personal summaries into digital flashcards using a dedicated app or a simple document. Aim to review these flashcards and your annotated notes at least 3 times over a week to strengthen your recall. Consistent review is key to long-term retention. Once your mousse mixture is perfectly combined, transfer it into a freezer-safe container, ideally one with a tight-fitting lid. Smooth the top with a spatula. Place the container in the freezer for a minimum of 6 hours, or preferably overnight, to allow it to firm up completely. Before serving, let the ice cream sit at room temperature for about 10 minutes to soften slightly, making it easier to scoop. Enjoy your homemade, delightfully airy mousse ice cream.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.